The mole, top 50 questions and answers. Section 1. The mole, basic concepts. 1. What is a mole in chemistry? Answer. A mole is a unit used to count particles. 1 mole equals 6.02210 superscript 2 superscript 3 particles. 2. Why do chemists use the mole? Answer. Atoms and molecules are extremely small, so chemists use moles to count large numbers of particles conveniently. 3. What is Avogadro's number? Answer. Avogadro's number is 6.02210 superscript 2 superscript 3 particles per mole. 4. What types of particles can be counted using moles? Answer. Atoms, molecules, ions. Formula units. 5. How many particles are in 2 moles of a substance? Answer. 26.02210 superscript 2 superscript 3 equals 1.20410 superscript 2 particles. 6. How many moles are in 3.0110 superscript 2 superscript 3 particles? Answer. Moles equals particles divided by Avogadro's number equals 3.0110 superscript 2 superscript 3 divided by 6.02210 superscript 2 superscript 3 equals 0.5 moles. Section 2. Molar mass. 7. What is molar mass? Answer. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance, expressed in grams per mole. 8. How is molar mass related to the periodic table? Answer. The atomic mass on the periodic table is numerically equal to the molar mass in g-mole. 9. What is the molar mass of oxygen? Answer. Oxygen atomic mass 16.00 g-mole. 10. What is the molar mass of O2? Answer. 216.00 is equal to 32.00 g-mole. 11. How do you calculate the molar mass of a compound? Answer. Add the atomic masses of all atoms in the chemical formula. 12. What is the molar mass of H2O? Answer. Plus 16.00 is equal to 18.02 g-mole. 13. What is the molar mass of NaCl? Answer. Na. 22.99 Cl. 35.45 total equals 58.44 g-mole. Section 3. Mass, mole, particle conversions. 14. How do you convert grams to moles? Answer. Moles equals mass divided by molar mass. 15. How do you convert moles to grams? Answer. Mass equals moles molar mass. 16. How many moles are in 36 g of H2O? Answer. 36 divided by 18 is equal to 2 moles. 17. What is the mass of 0.5 moles of CO2? Answer. CO2 molar mass equals 44 g mole 0.544 is equal to 22 g. 18. How do you convert moles to particles? Answer. Particles equals moles, Avogadro's number. 19. How many molecules are in 1.5 moles of NH3? Answer. 1.56.02210 superscript 2 superscript 3 equals 9.0310 superscript 2 superscript 3 molecules. 20. How many atoms are in 1 mole of helium? Answer. 1 mole of heat equals 6.02210 superscript 2 superscript 3 atoms. 21. How many atoms are in 1 mole of water? Answer. Each H2O molecule has 3 atoms. Total atoms equals 36.02210 superscript 2 superscript 3 equals 1.8110 superscript 2 atoms. Section 4. Molarity. 22. What is molarity? Answer. Molarity is the number of moles of solute per liter of solution. 23. Write the formula for molarity. Answer. M equals moles of solute divided by liters of solution. 24. What is the molarity of 2 moles of NaCl in 1 liter of solution? Answer. M equals 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2m. 25. What is the molarity of 0.5 moles in 2 liters? Answer. M equals 0.5 divided by 2 is equal to 0.25 m. 26. How many moles are in 500 milliliters of a 1.0 m solution?
Answer. 500 mil·lilitres 0,5 L moles 1,005 és igual a 0,5 moles.
27. How many grams of NaCl are needed to make 1 L of 0.5 m solution? Answer. Moles equals 0.5 mass equals 0.558.44 is equal to 29.22 g. Section 5. Law of definite composition. 28. What is the law of definite composition? Answer. A compound always contains the same elements in the same mass ratio, regardless of its source. 29. Why is water always H2O? Answer. Because compounds have fixed compositions according to the law of definite composition. 30. Does pure NaCl from the ocean differ from NaCl made in a lab? Answer. No. If pure, they have the same composition and properties. Section 6. Percent composition by mass. 31. What is percent composition? Answer. The percentage of each element in a compound by mass. 32. Write the formula for percent composition. Answer. Percent equals 100. 33. What is the percent composition of oxygen in H2O? Answer. 188.9%. 34. What is the percent composition of hydrogen in water? Answer. 111.1%. 35. Why is percent composition important? Answer. It helps identify compounds and determine empirical formulas. Section 7. Empirical formula. 36. What is an empirical formula? Answer. The simplest whole number ratio of elements in a compound. 37. What is the empirical formula of H2O2? Answer. Divide subscripts by 2HO. 38. How do you determine an empirical formula from percent composition? Answer. 1. Convert percent to grams. 2. Convert grams to moles. 3. Divide by smallest mole value. 4. Get whole numbers. 39. What is the empirical formula of a compound with 40% C and 60% O?